In this tutorial, we'll create highlighted text and animate it step by step. This function checks one thing only. Is this letter part of the highlighted word or not? We take the letter position, convert it to a real position inside the text, and check if it lives inside the highlighted range. First, we split the text into single letters. Chars is just the text broken into characters, so we can animate letter by letter, not the whole sentence. White range finds where the highlighted word is inside the text. If the user passes a highlight word, we store its position. If not, white range is nil. This lets us know which letters should be highlighted. Visible decides if this letter should appear yet. If the letter index is smaller than revealed, the letter is visible. Otherwise, it stays hidden. Is highlight checks if this letter belongs to the highlighted word. If it does, we make it bold and bright. If not, it stays gray and normal. Each letter animates when it becomes visible. It starts a bit lower, with blur, then moves up, becomes sharp, and fully appears. This creates a soft typewriter-style animation, letter by letter.
By the way, if you want to talk through your project, you can book a free 15-minute call with me. Link below.
Now we need to creating the reusable UI first. We create a model to organize our data. By using a model, we can reuse the same UI with different content, instead of rewriting views every time. Every time the image changes, we animate it. We combine blur, scale, and opacity together, so the image softly fades and transforms. We do the same idea for the text. When the index changes, the whole text block transitions with blur. This keeps the image and text in sync, so they feel like one connected component. Here we create the small dots at the bottom. We loop over the number of items in the array. The active item is fully colored. The others are shown with lower opacity. Finally, we switch between items automatically. Every 5 seconds, we move to the next item in the array. When we reach the last item, we loop back to the first one.
And one more thing. If you like this animation, you should watch this next.